Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. This week I have something I haven't done in a while, a tutorial. This one is a special tutorial as we're testing the 4D gel paste from Magic Gel System. Both colors we will be using are from their Soft Mulatto collection. We have Mint Gelato and Lavender Icing. First things first, I'll use Pink Gelac's Paradise Blue as my base color since it is the most similar color I have to match our gel paste. Then I'll top it with Daily Charme's Velvet Matte Top Coat, which by the way is the most matte I have tried so far. To continue with our 4D gel paste in Mint Gelato. You can see the texture is super thick and I'd say it almost looks like freshly poured concrete. And I'll apply it using Magic Gel's Creative Swirls brush, which is a great brush for details. Now since the gel is so thick, I find that the best way to grab an even amount with such a small and soft brush is to swirl around like this until you're happy with what's on your brush. The design I'm doing today is super simple. I'm just going to trace diagonal lines across the nail like this. As long as it's not cured, you can always perfect or thicken your lines as much as you want. Also, if you mess up like I just did, you can just take a thicker brush and remove your mistake. What's really nice about these gels too is that once they're cured, they're not tacky anymore, so you don't need to add any top coat or anything to them. And we have this super cool textured nail, and it was super simple to create. For the second nail, I'll do the same, but I'll start with one of my favorite pastel purple, Enchanted from Daily Charme's Charm Gels. And we'll do the lines using the 4D paste and Lavender Icing. I really like how these look. I might do that on my nails next. Now let's give a little twist to the same design. I'll use the two same colors we just used and create a gradient as our base. For that, I'll use Magic Gel's amazing Ombre brush, which makes it really easy to have this flawless fade we're looking for. Velvet Matte Top Coat again, and now I'll make the same lines but alternate the colors. And here we have our final look. I think so much fun stuff can be done with these 4D gel paste, and they do add so much dimension to the nail. I love the result. If you guys have tried these or something similar, definitely let me know in the comments section. I'm really curious to see everyone's opinion on them. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!